Now the next thing we're going to do is add some background music to a video. Now it depends on the type of video you have, so you can get to select as the video that you want. So let's select this one and let's try and add background music to it. So I'll just select this one, click and drag it. There we have it, and then if we play it, you can see it does not have any music to it or any background voice. So what I'll do is I'll go to where I've downloaded my background music, click on it, drag it to Filmora, and let's drop it here. Now here we have it as the audio. I'll just click and drag it and place it below the video clip, and then you can see it's under the audio timeline. So if I play this, that is how you can add a background music to it. But now let's say if you're in a situation where you have a talking audio, a talking video, so you've created a video where you're talking and you want to add background music to it. For example, I have this recording over here, so let's just remove this. Let's just remove the first clip and insert this video.
Welcome back to.
So let's play it a little bit. I'm going to first mute the background music, so we're left with the video only. Remember, the video has its own audio, so let's just play it.
Welcome back to the tutorial in the Adobe Premiere Pro course for beginners.
Now you've already heard that it's a video with its own audio, but now I want to add some background music to it. So let's select this, unmute it. I had added it before, so let's just play this.
Welcome back to the tutorial in the Adobe Premiere Pro course.
Now you can hear that the background music is a little bit louder than the person talking in this audio. So what you'll do is select the background music clip, that is, then double click on it, and this panel will open up. Now from here you can make adjustments to its volume. That is what you want to change right now. So click and drag the volume. Let's reduce the volume a little bit. Let's play it.
Adobe Premiere Pro course.
So you can just mess around with these settings.
The Adobe Premiere Pro course for.
So just let's
Adobe
see.
Premiere Pro course for beginners.
Now that seems correct. I feel like that will be much better. Again,
welcome back to the tutorial in the Adobe Premiere.
It's not too overpowering. So after you have adjusted the volume, click OK, and then the settings will be set. So now as you play the audio,
welcome back to the tutorial in the Adobe Premiere Pro course for.
It will be less loud compared to the person talking in the audio, and it will make more sense now. So basically that's how you add the background music to any clip, regardless of whether it has a talking person in it or not. And that is how you can adjust its volume to ensure that it's not too overpowering. Now go ahead and try this out and see how that will work out for you.